you tired of paying thousands of dollars in service plan contracts? Not to mention the years that you're locked into those contracts. Is service turnaround time affecting your day-to-day operations? We have a solution for you, our Cot Care program. FERNO's Cot Care is hands-on training program designed to help you reduce maintenance costs on FERNO cots, stair chairs, and fasteners. Conducted at the FERNO facilities in Wilmington, Ohio, the Cot Care program teaches your staff how to properly operate, inspect, clean, and do field repairs for FERNO equipment. Service plans can cost your agency thousands of dollars. Cot Care is only a fraction of the price and gives you peace of mind, knowing that no matter what happens, you have someone in-house that is certified to get your equipment back in service so you can focus on what matters most, saving lives. Say goodbye to contracts and take control of your fleet today. Ask your FERNO rep how Cot Care can improve your operations and service.